Hello and welcome back to another of my Arma 3 Edit Editor tutorial videos. In this video, I would like to share with you about how to create a mission or scenario where players are tasked to set free a civilian or two and eliminate his captor. As you can see here, we have our AAF soldier to be the character, and then this FIA rebel to be the captor. Last is these two civilian. I name it respectively V1 and V2. But for this scenario, we will be just focusing on V1, as V2 is meant to be let's say a control here. Now let us proceed to the civilian, but before we proceed to these V1s in it, I want to show you this. So we need this function that is from ACE. Put it here. V1 is meant to be used for variable name of the civilian. Last is boolean, just let it to be true. Okay, and then let us proceed to the task. Get task, set task state, and then the trigger. Sync them all. Task state is to be succeeded. And then a playable unit, let's say set civilians free. And we set him free and eliminate his captor. Okay, that's all. Then I use this help symbol to represent this, and just copy and paste. Then change civilian to be IDEP. Okay. Okay, the trigger remains the same. So, for trigger, I would like to show you this. This is a string of animation. So, in the condition field, that will be animationState, exclamation mark, equal mark, and then the string of the animation. So this is the string animation if the character is being handcuffed with exclamation mark and equal mark, of course, which it means that trigger will work if the civilian is not being handcuffed. I think that's enough, but V1, of course, I almost forget the variation name. Now we can just copy and paste it for another mission, another task, and change V1 to be V2. Okay, I think that's enough, but here comes the C1. So add double ampersand, then alive be C1. Okay, I think that's enough. Now let us proceed to the mission and I will show you why I need another requirement for the mission to be perfect. With two civilian being handcuffed, you can see that one mission is completed. The reason is quite simple, and you've seen it, because the set handcuff doesn't handcuff the target instantly. So he still detect the animation before him being handcuffed, which of course triggers the task to be completed. That being said, let us proceed to the true mission here. Proceed to eliminate, and then free this civilian. And that's it. That's how you create the vision. But before I end it, I want to add another interesting script to be used here. Now, as you can see, there is another string of animation. Now we are going to use it to make this scenario or immersive. So this P1, on activation there is P1 and then playMove and then the string of the animation. Okay, I'll just show one of the three string animation, and here for the other it will be civil, and this is another animation that is to be used should you choose the script over the one I am using right now. Okay, with that being said, let us restart the mission. Okay, now it's down. Now set him free. And as you can see, his run is an ordinary. He runs in panic condition, or at least he looks panicked. Say go away, and as you can see, he runs in rather unique animation. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Of course, I'll hope you find this useful, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.